Artificial intelligence, the omnipotent centralized brain. Blockchain, the immutable decentralized ledger. The two greatest forces of the 21st century. Two conflicting philosophies. On one side is unlimited intelligence, but controllable. On the other side is unbreakable freedom, but blind to the real world. For many years, we believed we had to choose one or the other, but that was a wrong choice. Today, we will explore an even greater truth. The future of digital civilization does not lie in choice, but in unification. This is the story of the fateful handshake between AI and blockchain, and how Interlink is building an architecture for the entire future. Chapter 1. The Journey to Find the Digital Self. Before looking to the future, let's travel back to understand why we are here. The primitive era. Anonymity. In the early days of the internet, we were just usernames and passwords. Identity was fragile, easily stolen and forged. There was no trust. The era of empires. Centralization, Google, Facebook, Apple appeared and brought convenience with login with buttons. They solved problems, but created a bigger one. We handed over the keys to our identities to a few corporations. The Cambridge Analytica scandal showed the world the danger of this model. Our identities became products. The dawn of autonomy, the blockchain era. Bitcoin and Ethereum emerged, introducing the concept of self-sovereign assets through private keys. For the first time, we could own something on the network ourselves. But it still failed in identity. One person could create thousands of wallets. We were autonomous, but still anonymous. This journey reveals a huge gap. We need a system as convenient as the empires, yet as autonomous as blockchain. Chapter 2. Analyzing the two forces. AI, the almighty but shackled God, O power. We won't just talk about generic AI. We will discuss next-generation language models, successors to GPT-4, Gemini, real-time deepfake generation, and sophisticated behavior recognition algorithms. AI is a superintelligent brain, O shackles, a deeper analysis of algorithmic bias. AI trained on existing data can carry gender and racial biases, and the biggest problem? It is controlled. Power lies in the hands of those who own massive data centers. Mind. Blockchain. The immutable but blind king. O. Power, not just immutability. We will talk about the rise of modular blockchains and Layer 2 solutions that address speed and cost issues. Blockchain is ready for global adoption. O. Blindness. Delving into the oracle problem. Using a concrete example, a smart contract for crop insurance. The contract needs to know whether it rained. Blockchain cannot look out the window itself. It needs an oracle, a third party, to provide that data. And immediately, we return to the issue of trusting a third party. Chapter 3. The Great Unification. Interlink's Architecture. Part 3.1. The Core Metaphor. O. AI is the senses and cortex. Senses, camera, to capture real-world data. Cortex, algorithms, to process, analyze, and make intelligent judgments. Is this a real person? O. Blockchain is the limbic system and spine. Limbic system, ledger, to record immutable, indelible memories, identity. Spine, consensus rules, to ensure network rules are enforced absolutely and impartially. Part 3.2. Detailed data flow. 1. Capture and off-chain processing. Light from your face is captured by your phone's sensor. This raw data is processed immediately on your device by an AI engine. Off-chain processing, fast and private. 2. Proof generation and transmission. The AI engine creates an encrypted proof package containing liveness analysis and geometric data results. 3. Decentralized verification. This proof package is sent to a group of human nodes. They don't see your face, only the encrypted proof, and run algorithms to cross-check its validity. 4. On-chain recording. After consensus is reached, a transaction is sent to the Interlink chain to register your anonymous Interlink ID code. This is the only on-chain step, ensuring immutability and cost efficiency. Part 3.3. Diving deep into technology. OZK snarks versus ZK starks. Explaining the fundamental differences. Snarks have smaller proof sizes, suitable for blockchain. Starks require no initial trusted setup, offering higher decentralization. Analyzing why Interlink might have chosen a specific ZKP technology and its pros/cons. O. Interlink chain's consensus mechanism. A deeper analysis of Interlink's proof-of-stake model. How to ensure validators, transaction verifiers, are also real people verified, creating a dual-layer security no other project has. Chapter 4. The New World Order. This architecture is not just technology, it reshapes power. MAI. The Battle for Identity Control. CBDCs. Central Bank Digital Currencies. Analyzing the trend of governments launching CBDCs between 2025 and 2027. To use CBDCs, citizens will need a government-issued and controlled digital identity. Interlink as a counterbalance. Asking the question, who do you want to control your digital identity? A government with political agendas or a decentralized network owned by you and the community? This is a battle for digital freedom. Data is the new oil. Discussing this philosophy. Currently, our data is mined for free by corporations. A self-sovereign identity system like Interlink will return ownership and monetization rights of our data to us. Unlocking global potential. Universal Basic Income. UBI. The biggest challenge of UBI is fair distribution and fraud prevention. Interlink's one-person, one-identity system is the perfect technical infrastructure to realize UBI models on a global scale. Chapter 5. Reality Check. Spend 2 to 3 minutes on each story about elections, healthcare, education. Build characters, problems, and how technology changes their lives. Chapter 6. Competitive Landscape. A deeper analysis of 2025 competitors, not just WorldCoin, but also solutions from major tech corporations trying to Web3ify. Summarizing the great journey the video has taken, from history, technology analysis, to applications and geopolitical impact. Ending with a strong statement that this is not a story about a crypto project, but about a new infrastructure architecture for trust, freedom, and human dignity in the digital century. And of course, a teaser for video number 5.